It is 5:43 p.m. and I haven't shot anything. I'm starting later every day. So for this panel cube thing, I have like plans. I will do it kind of soon. But today, since I want to do like something quick, I want to make a logo here. My logo in the center, that it's like illuminated from the back. And to do so, of course, I have to do it in Giaco. Ooh, it's dark here. Hey, how you doing? I have to do it in pure Giaco fashion, meaning that I'm just gonna use what I have. Luckily for me, I have a lot of things. So these panels are, oops, sorry, are basically already done. And I have 900 of this. This backlight's white, so I have to laser cut the logo here and then make a frame around it. Very simple. So let's get it started. Oh, this light was cool. I'm just gonna use these two little pieces of, I think it's pine. I don't even know where it comes from, but it's gonna be perfect for this little thing. Okay, to the laser. Remember that I need to keep this as a spacer, because when I put this on the light, I will need this as a spacer to then put the this part. Then glue it in place. And it should work. Almost an hour. So let's do this. I think I have to glue it now and let the glue cure. Then I pick up from tomorrow, which for you is right now. And this is the morning after. And you know that's true, because if you look closely outside the window, the light is different. The glue also, it's set, as you can see, and it looks pretty darn good. I took an hour to make this, and it totally looks like someone made it in 10 minutes. Now let's see if the actual panel fits in. Would you look at that? It is working. I need to figure out how to actually glue it, that it stays in place. Then I have to glue the inner parts. But first, I wanna paint it all black. And I'm gonna use a rattle can. I wanna say something about rattle cans. Please, follow me. This is what I call a smooth transition. When you buy a spray paint, rattle cans, whatever you call them, I think, in my opinion, you wanna buy like graffiti spray cans. Because they are a lot more expensive, but they're not actually more expensive, because They normally have, like in this case, this is Montana, it's very good in Europe, but this one have a different pressure, like the paint come out at a different pressure, which is lower. And that is cool because when you paint things, even if you're not using graffiti, when you paint things, you don't have the paint dropping, and you see less when the paint is going too thick, because I mean they're a lot better. Even though it seems like they are more expensive, when you're using them, they actually last longer. So I just prefer to, I'm not sponsored, by the way. I have a lot of them here. I paid for all of them. I'm just gonna endorse them because I actually like them. Okay. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Oh shit, it looks so good. I'm so happy about this. And I feel like I'm starting to have a place to, you know, super cool. Like, this is super quick projects that make me happy. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao. It's my very... This is the biggest fail since I started vlogging.